You are going to love the 2015 RX 350. The RX 350 offers a driver-inspired design and intuitive technology that puts you in total control of your interior. Paired with a spacious cargo area and a powerful V6 engine, the RX 350 continues to offer the best combination of powerful performance and interior luxury in its class. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, sunroof, alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, electronic brake control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.